Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to give our 2015 Ram some significantly improved visibility with some LED lighting. It's 2018 and the factory high beam bulbs on the 2015 Dodge Ram are dull yellow halogens, so it's time to make this truck a little bit more modern by installing these PUTCO LED high beam bulbs. These are PUTCO's Nite-Lux LED high beam bulbs designed to fit your 2009 to 18 Ram. They're going to be direct fit plug-and-play replacements for the factory bulbs. They put out an impressive 2,500 lumens per bulb with a color temperature of 6,000 K for significantly improved visibility and a custom look. A ribbon-style heatsink is integrated for reliability and to make it fit into tight spaces. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 10mm socket, a long extension, 3/8 ratchet, 10mm wrench, and a flathead screwdriver or a trim panel removal tool. Okay, to install these high beam bulbs, the headlight does have to come out. To take the headlight out, we're going to start off in the fender liner. With a flathead screwdriver or a trim panel removal tool, you can pop this clip out right here, and this will allow you to open up the access panel. With the access panel open, there's a white clip deep inside here that secures the headlight. You need to grab onto that white clip and push up, and that will release the headlight. There's two bolts that secure the headlight. One is right here that you can get with a 10mm wrench, and the other is way down in here that you'll need a couple extensions to get to. We're ready to get the next bolt at the bottom of the headlight. You will need a couple extensions to get this. Then you might need a magnet or a claw tool to pull the bolt out. Now to remove the headlight, pull it away from the truck this way, or you can get on the back side and push it. Rotate the headlight, then locate this cap right here. This is for your high beam. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Lift up on the connector on the bulb to release it. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise and pull it out. And there's your factory high beam. Grab your new PUTCO LED high beam bulb, line the 3 tabs up and twist it clockwise to install it. Now because the PUTCO light comes with this adapter harness, this won't fit inside the headlight housing, so you won't be able to fit the original dust cap on top of here. If you want this to fit, you will have to drill a small hole in the cap right here to fit this wire through if you want to put this back on. Plug in the adapter harness, then plug the adapter harness into the factory harness. And this can now be reinstalled. Reinstall the upper bolt. Reinstall the lower bolt. Pull down on the white clip that you previously pushed up on to lock the headlight. Then reinstall the access panel. Repeat the process on the other side, and you're done. Okay, we got our PUTCO LED high beam bulbs installed in our 2015 Ram. They are significantly brighter than the factory bulbs, and the nice cool white looks a lot better too. You do have to take the headlights out to install them, but it's not that bad. It shouldn't take you more than 45 minutes to an hour to do this. And before you know it, you'll be heading off road.